Okay, so I got my new bike, and here it is. I got S&M bar ends, ODI long neck grips in purple, Sens brake lever, Haro bars, I think they're 8-inch rise, clear brake lever, Animal GLH folding tire. It's a 20 by 1.95. I got specialized fuse forks, a really cool hub. I don't know the name of it, but it's got sealed bearings in it, and it has leaves on it, so I like it. Triple wall rim, dice valve cap, red and white spokes, and just regular silver nipples. And I got the 14mm conversion from Shadow on the front. I got an Animal Jump Off Remix stem, Cane Creek integrated headset, specialized Fuse 2 frame, AC 3-piece cranks with profile sealed European bottom brackets. I got Odyssey JCPC pedals, Shadow Interlock V2 chain, Haro 25-2 sprocket, and I got a Rogue Status pivotal seat with just a regular pivotal seat post and integrated seat clamp. And I got random regular cable or hanger and Shadow cable, and I got Tektro brakes with, I just got these brake pads, I don't even know what they are. Anyway, Odyssey Elm Street back tire. It is, I do not know where the thing is. I think it's like 1.20 by 2, no, 20.125 or something like that. Anyway, I got a Hulk double wall rim in silver, black and silver spokes with red, black, and silver nipples, and a Odyssey Hazard hub with Shadow bolts. So that's my bike check. Thanks.